Hey, what's up, guys? Chris Dolata hit me up, asked me to run this. I might be a little rusty, but it'll be on the up and up. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom and type in live. Down here, you can see that it is 7:55. I pulled the list from above. Stump at the top two, actually top three. And the fifth spot, Nate, Patty, Bob, Vander Galen, Timmy, and Jordan. The US that's after that is because the flag doesn't carry over onto random.org. We will roll the dice. Has to be a 4 or higher. It's 3, so we'll go again. 8. Lucky number 8. Good luck, everybody. I believe we're taking the top 2. Isn't that correct? Let's see. Yes, top 2 win. Number 1 gets a hoodie or a hat if they want, and number 2 gets a hat. Unless number 1 wants a hat, and then I assume number 2 can get a hoodie. You clear that up with Dolata. Hopefully not that hideous Green Bay paraphernalia. And what I say, we're going 8 times to remind everybody. 8, 8, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 items in the list. Randomized. As you can see right there, 7 times. We're going to go 8 times. 8th and final. Good luck, everybody. The luckiest man on the planet, Chris Stump Lindbergh, with the 1 spot, and Bob Vander Galen gets the 2 spot. Let's go back over here. Scroll to the bottom. I think it's a great picture of Michael Hyatt. Doesn't anybody else? Good looking picture of Hyatt. Anyway, done. Go back and we will upload. Thanks, guys. See ya.